My name's Alan Hart, and today we've been called out to noise in a house. Customer thought the boiler was noisy, but what we found there's a water leak. So there's a pipe that's got an hole in it. I'll show you on videos. My name's Alan Hart, and today we've been called out to a water leak under a floor in a house. So the customer's reported a noise. So we've come to look what this noise might be. And I'm under the floor now in the house. You can just see there and all of that. You just see that it's not leaking. So I'll chop this out now and then we'll have a look, try and repair it for the customer. So if we look on that pipe there, it looks like it's just rubbed away. Because they just put it straight through with work. So it's not the easiest thing to see there. But you can just see it's got like a little tiny hole in it. Really small. It's just pinholed over years. Obviously it's been rubbing like that in between them bricks and it's rubbed itself away. So we're just going to repair this now. So what I've done is I've sleeved the new pipe that we're putting in so that this doesn't happen again in the future for the customer. So then we're just going to connect that up together there. So we've just repaired it now and we've sleeved it going through it well. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video, Leaking Water Pipe Under a Floor.